How to add liquidity and LP tokens, complete guide. In this video, we will cover how to add liquidity to the pool, import LP tokens, and prepare for staking. Click on Add Liquidity. I'm adding 20 USDT plus equivalent WCO to the USDT/WCO liquidity pool. If this is your first time, approve both tokens. Then click Supply, review your pool share and pricing, and confirm. I've hit Confirm in MetaMask. Now we just wait for liquidity to be added. We will now go to W Scan to view success. My liquidity is now living in the pool, 20 USDT and ~11 WCO. I also received LP tokens for my contribution. You can now see WLPV2 in your wallet. I have 0.000085 WLP, which reflects my pool share. You can now see your pool position, USDT/WCO amounts, and the option to remove liquidity later if you choose. In this video, we've bridged tokens from Ethereum to W Chain, swapped USDT to WCO, added liquidity to the pool, imported LP tokens into our wallet, prepared for staking. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe plus hit the bell for more W Chain tutorials.